Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. From Supreme Education School System, this is your teacher for class 4. Students, our today's topic is about grammar workbook. The topics we are going to learn today are forms of the verb, abbreviation and creative writing, in which we are going to write some lines about a rainy day. So students, we will move to our first topic, that is verb. Students, you know all the action words, all the doing words are called verbs, like sleep, eat, teach, learn, write, walk, run. They are called verb. Each verb has three forms: simple, present, past and past participle, which are called first form, second form and third form. Students, we will move to our page number 13. They are first, second and third form of verb. Drive, गाड़ी चलाना, drove, driven. Drove is the second form and driven is the third form. Eat, खाना, ate, eaten. Fall, गिरना, fell, fallen. Feed, खाना, fed, fed. Feel, felt, felt. Fight, fought, fought. Fly, flew, flown. Forget, forgot, forgotten. Forgive, forgave, forgiven. Give, gave, given. Go, went, gone. Graze, चरना, grazed, grazed. Hang, लटकना या लटकाना, hung, hung. Next is have, had, hear, heard, hide, hid, hidden, hold, held, jump, jumped, join, joined, kneel, घुटनों के बल चलना, knelt, lay, laid, lent, lie, lied, may, might, mistake, गलती, mistook, mistaken, numbered. So students, that were your three forms of verb. You have to learn these verbs and their three forms at page number 13. Now we will move to our next topic, that is abbreviation. Students, what is an abbreviation? An abbreviation is a short way to write a word. Abbreviation क्या होती है? किसी भी लफ्ज़ को लिखने के लिए एक छोटा उसका तरीकाकार होता है. जब हम एक लफ्ज़ को पूरा नहीं लिखते हैं बल्कि उसको शॉर्ट फॉर्म में लिखते हैं, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड. व्हाट गेट्स एन एब्रीविएटेड? किस चीज़ को हम एब्रीविएट करते हैं? हम वी कैन एब्रीविएट टाइटल ऑफ पीपल, डेज ऑफ वीक, एड्रेसेस, मंथ्स ऑफ द ईयर, डेज ऑफ द वीक एंड मेजरमेंट्स. So we will discuss title of the pupil first. Titles of pupil. Miss को हम एब्रीविएट कर सकते हैं M और S से. Mrs. MRS, Mr. MR, Doctor DR, Captain CAPT, Junior JR, Senior SR. Students, don't forget to write the first letter capital. What other we can abbreviate? We can abbreviate days of the week. Like Sunday, we can write SUN, Monday MON, Tuesday TUE, Wednesday WED, Thursday THURS, Friday FIR, and Saturday SAT. And we can abbreviate months of the year, like January JAN, February FBEB, so on. Students, like this we can abbreviate our some words which we have discussed here. Learn your page number 23, in which we have learned the abbreviation. Now we will move to our next topic, that is page number 24. Students, you can see from the pictures, yes, that is a rainy day. We have to write some lines about rainy day. Students, creative writing. In creative writing, you can explain, you can share your knowledge, your emotions, your observation. We have given some words here like too hot, clouds, rain, water everywhere, pakoras, samosas, paper boats, enjoyment, pleasant weather. So we will make sentences with the help of these given words. Now students, we will start our creative writing. A rainy day. It was a very hot day of summer, or you can say one summer day. Weather was too hot and it was very awful. Everyone was praying for rain. As you know students, when there is much hot weather, we always pray for the rain. Third line is, suddenly the sky was covered with clouds, covered with black clouds, you can write, and it began to rain heavily. So students, these were our four topics which we have discussed. Now I will discuss the other topics with you. They are water everywhere, pakoras and samosas, paper boats, enjoyment, pleasant weather. Students, you can write with the help of these words. Like the rain was so heavy that there was water everywhere. Children came out of the houses and started playing in the water, and they made paper boats and sailed them in the rainwater. And in the meantime, pakoras and samosas were arranged, and they doubled the enjoyment of the fun of the day. The weather became very pleasant. Everyone thanked Allah and enjoyed a lot. So students, it was your creative writing. Write it down on your workbook. Don't forget to mention your date and day. Students, stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.